This video is titled Gaining Muscle Mass. Yes, man, gain the muscle mass naturally. It's something I always wanted, have a nice body, have muscles, visible muscles. Believe it or not, I actually gained these muscles in like 3-4 months. It was like 20 pounds muscle mass from the skinny guy to the muscle guy, right? But yeah, it was a longer process before that, right? The crazy thing is, you see the guy to the left in the bottom? That's me, right? Overweight, 250 pounds, right? And I just felt like I had to do the fast, man. You know what I'm saying? It's in the Bible, you have to do the fast, right? So I figured, you know what? Let's try it. You know what I'm saying? Let's try. Listen to the word of God. So I did the fast, and I made a goal for myself, like to get down to 180, right? Like that was my. I remember like being a young man, weighing like 180. So I was like, you know what? Let's try it, right? So, but this is how I look, right? You see the left guy up, got like the grandpa body. You know what I'm saying? It was like terrible. People were like talking to me like, "Are you sick or what? Like, what's going on?" I was fasting for 1 year, guys. And when I say fasting, I was abstaining from food for 21 hours during the day, right? So I was not eating for 21 hours, then I was eating for 3 hours, like 2 meals, right? High fat, high protein, low carb. So it's basically like eating low carbs yeah. But then I was like, you know what? I got this loose skin. I got all this, grandpa body. You know what I'm saying? Even my face like starts to get wrinkles because of the loose skin. So I was like, I'm gonna start training. This is the most crucial part, right? When you start training, you're gonna get like all these experts. You must do it like this, like that, right? And I figured that most people do it wrong, right? Crazy how that sounds. I started very slowly. When you lift the weights, I focus on like, okay, let's say I'm training my biceps, right? I started focusing on the pressure. So how do I put the pressure on the biceps best, right? How is most effectively? It was most effectively when I was doing it slowly, keeping the pressure up, pressing it, holding it there for 2-3 seconds, and then slowly putting it down, the weight down, very slowly. I'm still putting it down, right? On the extension, you go very slowly. And I figured that you can use less weights, right? And get more effective pressure on the muscles. So you just look weird, right? Because everybody is just doing the training like go fast and they jerk, bop, 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 a lot of weights. And you come there, standing there slowly lifting. But yeah, it was very effective. So I did that. I did the push-ups, right? And the same way, I did the push-ups the same way also, right? I did it very slowly, especially in the beginning. Then later on, I figured, right, okay, I can do the short moves, short, fast moves here. Put the pressure also, right? So yeah, this is how I do it. And then, this is the most effective part, right? This is where your muscles are gonna explode. But you cannot do it often. You can only do it like 1 or 2 times a week. And this is the maximum. You have to put the maximum weight, right? But you do it to like 4 to 6 reps, maximum weight, right? So let's say it's the biceps, it's the triceps. You do how much weight you can do 4 to 6 times, right? You can do it 8 times also, but I would say no, it's too much. And you can do it in only like 2 sets, right? 2 sets, 3 different sets on each muscle group, right? Maximum weight. And that kind of training, you train for like 40 minutes, maximum 1 hour, right? And you can only do that training 1 to 2 times a week. And you will get stronger very, very fast, right? Every time, actually, you will get stronger every training. Your muscles will grow. Yeah. And later on, actually now, if I want to add 20 more pounds, I actually have to do less training, right? Less training, but more often weight. But I'm not even interested in that. I just want to have a nice, mix like fitness and bodybuilder body. It doesn't have to be like full blown bodybuilder, but this is full naturally. You can do it full naturally. Steroids are for losers, absolutely for losers. If you do the fasting, you will trigger your own natural hormone on a high solid fat diet, right? The healthy fats. You trigger your hormone to the maximum, guys. God bless. Do it, do it, do it.